they're really pretty, and I can just do like a swatch party. It's a swatch party! Welcome. Today's video, it's kind of a collective haul. One of the items I was waiting on, or one of the brands that I had purchased from, wasn't in, so I've got like 2 orders here. So I thought it would be fun to unbox it. I haven't done one of these kind of videos in a while with you guys. I did make a purchase from e.l.f. because they were having a sale. One of the items that I'm really excited about, I picked up from Sephora, and it may be back in stock. I don't know. But anyways, before I get into the unboxing and everything, there should still be 3 giveaways going on, 2 of which that are on our channel, and I will link them in the comment section below and pin the comment, as well as there's one over on my Instagram. I'm trying to grow my Instagram following up to 10K to get that little swipey. So definitely make sure to check the comment section down below. For those links, you have to go to that post over on Instagram, and you have to go to those videos as well on this channel to enter into those giveaways. So it's 3 separate giveaways. Anyways, guys, if you're new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda. I'd love to have you guys subscribe. Over here, we embrace the hot mess, and I run on a lot of caffeine, like a lot of caffeine. By the way, if you guys are curious about my tan, it's not real vitamin D, it's sunless tanner. So on my face, I'll link it down below for you guys. I have the TAN-LUXE facial oil, and then on my body I have the Isle of Paradise droppies that you just mix into your lotion. Very nice, very convenient, and I don't seem to screw it up. So that's good. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into this unboxing. Actually, I'll show you what I picked up from Sephora first. I was really excited about this, guys. This is the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush. This is the cheek palette that Manny MUA's makeup brand that, oh no, a little gouge. But she's so good. I actually have this on today, but like I was saying, this is by Lunar Beauty, which is Manny MUA's brand, and this is just a beautiful 6-pan cheek blush palette, and I absolutely love. I'm sad. Okay, I'm able to get it. Wow, welcome to the hot mess. But look how pretty. I mean, I know you can't, I mean, do people really swatch blushes? I don't know. I'm gonna, but isn't that pretty? I've just been really into blush ever since I picked up the Tower 28 and the Fenty Beauty, and I got the Milk Bake Up, all those cream blushers. I've just been like so into blush. I tell you, all the blushes that I have on today, like the cream blushes, it's a lot, and I'm probably gonna get judged, but I just want to remind you guys, this is a judgment, drama, and stress-free zone. So I do have the Lunar Beauty palette on. I actually mixed the shade Stargaze and Twilight, these 2 shades right here. But prior to all of those, I did put my Fenty, I think it's called Fuego. Hold on, do you guys want to know? Please don't click out. I need the minutes. Oh God, I can hear it now. You're not funny. I'm not trying to be. I have to laugh at myself so I don't cry. So I have Cool Berry on today by Fenty, and then I have Fuego Flush as well. So I'm just like I said, in a really blushy kind of mood. So I thought those were pretty, and then I set my face with a little bit of my Becca Hydra Mist, and then I went on top with, like I said, Twilight and Stargaze. And if this is available, if this is back in stock, I will link it down below just to let you guys know they are affiliate links. So thank you guys in advance, because I use those commissions to put right back into the channel so I can buy things like this to review for you guys. So I think what I'm going to do is a lot of this stuff that I'm going to be showing you guys today, I'll be coming back and doing like a get ready with me. I don't know if it'll be a first impression, because I feel like I'm not the best at first impressions. I'm a Gemini, so sometimes I can tend to be a little on the wishy-washy side, or say I like something and then like 2 weeks later I'm like, ah, hideous. No. I do that sometimes. Yes, and I am totally feeling my 90s vibe. The high ponytail, I didn't feel like washing it. Literally cozy t-shirt, and I have bikers on. So here's the deal. They did have a sale on a bunch of their stuff. I want to say it was like 60% off. Now, if you know me, you know that I have this thing where like if I like something, I'm gonna need to get it in all shades. It's ridiculous. It's a really pain in the butt kind of problem to have. So here's what set it off. If you guys don't know, I picked up the Primer Infused Blush in the shade Always Punchy. And I actually really like this. Now, I paid $6 for this. These bad boys went on sale for $2 and change. And this is the shimmer one, but I thought it would still be pretty anyways. So, hold on. This is just, oh my gosh, how sweet is that? They sent a little, I mean, I bought this, but I guess it was a free thing of hand sanitizer. So, they had however many shades, and what did I do? I got every shade. Don't want to hear about it. It was $2 and change. I don't even remember putting that one in my cart. Wow, okay. There was 6 shades and I bought all 6 shades, which honestly, that came to $2, $4, $6, $12. That's pretty awesome, you know? So it looks like they have a shimmer. Let's go ahead and I just, out of curiosity, I do want to open, we'll open this one up because I want to see how shimmery it is. But like I said, I'll be coming back and I'll do a get ready with me or something using these products, because this wasn't the only thing. Blush was not the only thing that I picked up. So this shade is Always Cheery. Oh, there's a little bit of a sheen, but it's not bad. I mean, I don't know. Sheens don't bother me too much, especially if they're like this, because it's one of those things where the more you blend it, it just kind of gives a really pretty radiant glow. I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but it's pretty. I actually like that. I like that a lot. I'm so excited. It's kind of similar to the Always Punchy, but okay, so now I have a lot of blush. Do I have a problem? Yeah. Oh, okay, so I picked up the e.l.f. Smooth and Set Under Eye Powder. This is something that I used to use all the flipping time when I started my channel back in like 2017. I used to talk about this stuff all the time. So it was like $1 or something, and so I went ahead and picked that up. It's one of those things where this becomes your job, and then you just fall in love with like all different kinds of makeup. You kind of buy, and then you forget, and you buy and forget, and then you come back and you're like, I love that. The next item I picked up, this is something I have been wanting to try, and it's the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. Now, I picked up the shade 300 Sand, so I don't know if that'll match or if that'll be too light, because especially with my sunless tanner. But it's a neutral undertone. It says it has a satin finish, and I kind of want to try it. So I think I have some other e.l.f. products, so maybe I could just do a full face of e.l.f. Oh, okay, and then I think these are the last 2 items I did pick up. I hear a lot of people talk about these, and I don't think these shades are gonna match. Doggone. So I picked up the e.l.f. 16-Hour Cammo Concealer. I wanna say these were like $6, and this shade is Medium Sand. Look at that. Is that not light? Like, that's really fair to me. That's like a light. That's not a medium type of shade. And then I got the Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Peach, which again, that I feel like it's gonna match me a little bit better than this one. But I mean, maybe what I could do is just like one under my eyes and then the darker elsewhere, maybe. I don't know. So anyways, guys, that was everything that I picked up. I did pick up some stuff from Shopmiss A, and I honestly thought it would be here by now, but unfortunately it is not. But let's open these e.l.f. blushers up, because they're really pretty, and I can just do like a swatch party. It's a swatch party! If you're new to the channel, yes, this is my personality. These are like huge size pans too. And it's so funny because I don't remember what I ordered other than on Shopmiss A. I know I got a decent amount of things, which I mean, they're mostly like $1, but I did get some more of the Shopmiss A sponges because those are amazing. Oh my gosh, this was a little extreme, Rhonda. I know, I'm aware. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch. This is Always Breezy right here. Oh, that's pretty. That's so pretty. What is this one? Always Preppy. Ooh, that's fun. This one I already did. This is the Always Cheery. This one kind of reminds me of one of the shades in the Lunar Beauty palette. This is Always Punchy, which this is the one you guys know that I have been using and the whole reason why I bought all of these. And then I've got 3 more for you guys. Always Lucky. This one is Always Silky. These actually swatch good. I'll try and like zoom the camera in. This one looks, I thought in the picture it was going to be like a pretty like bronzy shade, but it kind of has a purpley tone. I think I'm going to have to be careful with this one. This one's called Always Hazy. Oh no, that's pretty. Let me jump up so you guys can see. Isn't that pretty? I mean, $2 and change. $2 and change. So real quick, again, this one is Always Hazy. I'm not a professional swatch party person. Always Silly, Story of My Life. Always Lucky. Always Punchy, but this is not one of the shimmery blushes. This is just the regular, I guess, matte. Always Preppy. And again, these are all the primer infused. Always Breezy. I really like this one. This is a really pretty shade. And then last one is Always Cheery. I love this one too. I like that peachy pink. So like I said, all of these were like $2 a piece, and I already know from using Always Punchy, the primer infused blushes are really good. So if you can get your hands on them, I mean, honestly, I feel like they are worth the $6 if you can get your hands on them, but especially grab them if you can find them for $2 again. So anyways, I will link all of these blushers down below for you guys, and I'll be coming back trying out the concealer and the foundation. And of course, you guys know I already love this Lunar Beauty palette. I mean, the formula is great. It lasts all day, so it's kind of like a little review in this little crazy wackadoodle video. But welcome to the channel. Hopefully you decide to stick around and subscribe. Don't forget, check out the videos with the giveaways as well as Instagram. And I guess that's all for now, friends. So until next time, as always, I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye.